Think you're eating healthy? Think again. Today, we're exposing the sweet secrets lurking in your supposedly healthy foods. Let's start with that low-fat yogurt in your fridge. Flip it over and you'll find up to 29 grams of sugar per serving. That's more than 7 teaspoons. When manufacturers remove fat, they often replace it with sugar to maintain flavor. Moving on to your morning smoothie. Fruits are healthy, right? Yes, but not when they're concentrated. A typical store-bought smoothie can contain up to 50 grams of sugar. That's like starting your day with a can of soda. Speaking of drinks, let's talk about that vitamin water. It might sound nutritious, but some brands pack in 32 grams of sugar per bottle. You'd be better off eating an apple and drinking plain water. Even your whole grain bread isn't safe. Many brands add sugar to improve taste and texture. 2 slices can contain 6 grams of added sugar. That's before you add any toppings. Salad dressings are another culprit. That balsamic vinaigrette you love? It could have 7 grams of sugar per serving. Stick to olive oil and vinegar to avoid the sweet stuff. Don't forget about sauces. Your favorite tomato pasta sauce might have 12 grams of sugar per half cup. That's 3 teaspoons of sugar before you've even added the pasta. Protein bars are often sugar bombs in disguise. Some contain up to 30 grams of sugar. That's as much as a candy bar. Even your natural peanut butter might not be safe. Many brands add sugar, sometimes up to 3 grams per serving. The takeaway? Always read labels. Look for hidden sugars like corn syrup, dextrose, and maltose. Choose whole, unprocessed foods when possible. And remember, just because it's marketed as healthy, doesn't mean it's sugar-free. Stay informed, stay healthy, and don't let hidden sugars sabotage your diet.